In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use FaceTime on Android. FaceTime is a popular video calling service exclusive for Apple devices. However, as an Android user, you can still participate in FaceTime calls if an Apple user invites you. And here's how to join a FaceTime call on Android. FaceTime calls only be initiated by Apple users. Android users cannot start a FaceTime call. Because FaceTime operates via a web browser on Android device, allowing users to join calls initiated by Apple users. How to create a FaceTime link on iPhone for Android devices. Ask an Apple device user to generate and share a FaceTime invitation link with you. Ensure that the Apple device runs iOS 15 or later to create FaceTime links. On the Apple device, open the FaceTime app, tap Create Link, and share the link via WhatsApp or any other social media. Alternatively, schedule a FaceTime call for later by creating a link in advance. To join the call from Android, once you receive the FaceTime link from your Apple contacts, tap the link to load the FaceTime page on your device's web browser. Enter your name in the name field and tap Continue. Grant access to your camera and microphone if prompted by your browser, and then tap the green Join button once your camera opens. The Apple user who created the FaceTime link will receive a join request on their device, and they need to tap the green check mark to approve your request. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.